Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair these Sony headphones with your Android phone. So first of all, you have to click and hold on this power button to turn them on. This indicator will light up, just like that. And then you have to click and hold on this Bluetooth button to get this white light. It will start blinking like that. So it means that right now the Sony headphones are in the pairing mode, and all you have to do is just open the Bluetooth settings, click to pair new device, take a look for the available devices, and now just wait for the headphones until they appear on the list. Okay, so as you can see, I was just searching for the name of the Sony headphones, but for some reason the name of these headphones appears like that. That's the H9 So if you cannot find your headphones on the list, just select this random numbers. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.